We listen. Not so much to those telling us that developing a successor is practically impossible, but to those who use our products every day. And that's exactly what we did. We took the feedback directly from our Ono community and used it to develop a successor to the CO-DRIVER No. 1. And that's why we are pretty sure we've managed to make something good even better. Introducing Ono CO-DRIVER No. 2. Like No. 1, but better. Starting with a rechargeable battery, because that's what more than 63% of the community wanted. You can charge it directly in your car using the enclosed USB-C charger. This way, you'll never run out of battery and you will always be sure to receive warnings in traffic. The community asked for clearer audio and visual warnings, so that's what they get. The new LED ring makes warnings on speed cameras and road hazards even more clear and intuitive. We also added a brand new audio warning system developed with some of the best in the industry. Let's say there was an accident and now it's gone. You can dismiss the incident at the top of the device and let the community know. What we learned from the No. 1 is that handling the device could be easier. Magnetic mounts are the answer. Everything inside has been changed for the better. A stunning 78% of our community asked for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatibility and navigation features. You'll still be part of a massive community and get warnings on whatever traffic incidents you're about to encounter on your journey. All to help you focus on traffic and your speed when you need it the most. After all, making a good sequel isn't that hard when you listen.